So difficult time is still ahead of us. I think that from now to the end of the year, it might not change at all. So, but then we still have to continue to build a network, continue to let more people know about us. The main goal is let a lot of people know about you. So if you have the camera on, you can turn it on. So anyone have any question? Today we will talk about today we will talk about lead funnel. And I believe that some of you are aware what is lead funnel, but some of you might not aware of that. So let's try to share the screen. Let me share the screen. Let's try to visit Rocket Mortgage to check out our website. Feel free to stop me and ask any question. Here, you can see that, right?
Yes.
I go to rocketmortgage.com and now it takes me to a lead funnel right away. It doesn't show me the website of Rocket Mortgage. This is not the main website of Rocket Mortgage. This is a lead funnel. The purpose of the lead funnel is to capture leads by raising question, by asking question, and the consumer will see, oh, this is interesting. Let's answer it. Here. So I want to I want to refinance a single family. It's a primary residence. My credit profile, excellent. I don't have a second mortgage. Then they ask for my name and then phone number and email address. So that is a lead funnel, right? From Rocket Mortgage. Now, let me try a lead funnel. I created this morning. Yeah, here's the lead funnel that we have. We'll take the consumer to the lead funnel. Say, I want to buy a home. The zip code. I will occupy it. Purchase price. Down payment 20%. Credit score is good. No bankruptcy. And then we show them all the lender that we work with. And then we ask them to give us the information so we can send them the rate. Asking for a phone number. Here's the rate, we show it to them. So basically, we change the lead funnel slightly. The lead funnel that you see with Rocket Mortgage and other lenders are pretty much standard. But for Loan Factory, we change it a little bit so that we can show the pricing. We need to show the result here.
Hey, Tuan.
Yes.
Raymond here while we're waiting for that. Is there the ability to set up lead funnels for home equity loans or reverse mortgages as well?
Anything is possible. We just need to create a different workflow. I can show you later. But see, we changed slightly, right? We changed slightly. We now, at the end, the rate to the consumer. At the same time, we already captured the lead in our lead pipeline. So Hado, if she go to her pipeline, she should see the lead is right there. So let me try that. So here the lead end up right here. You see that? Oh, you didn't see. You cannot see the screen. Let me show the screen. Yeah. You see now on top here, I am the lead that belong to Hado. See that her lead right here. So that is lead funnel. Okay. And we are also working on a lead funnel for OnePlus. So what happened is we will advertise a lead funnel for OnePlus. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, so now understand about lead funnel for that, right? So now I will actually create a lead funnel. So you will do the same thing. If you want to create a lead funnel, I will log in as Hado, and you can do the same thing on your end. So this is, by the way, this is for loan officers. If you have license, you have the role of a loan officers, then you should be able to create lead funnel. So here I log in as Hado. How come there's a delay?
Hey, Tuan, this is Zach.
Yes.
So these lead funnels, the marketing backend support already has created this in our own portal where we could just go and click to make it go live. And obviously, we're gonna put our own credit cards for the charges. However, is it something that we have to start from scratch?
Yeah, everyone has to start from scratch.
Okay, so the lead funnel is not created in our portal. It's just that we have to. You're just showing us how the lead funnel is.
No. Every one of you can create your own lead funnels. Separate, it's yours. Everyone can create your own lead funnel, and you can have multiple lead funnel too. I'll show you now.
So this is not a template for all.
There's a template for everyone. You can create it using a template. I can show you now. Just give me 2 minutes. You can see it. So when you log into your account, you go to the setting on top on the top right corner. Click on it. You go to lead setting. You see the first tab say web pages. This is where you create lead funnel. You click add. Here are the 4 templates for the lead funnel that you can create. Right now, the first one has bug, so you have to select the second one. After you select the second one, you can see this is your domain name, right? You can put in anything. For example, I would do OnePlus. Okay, I would create a lead funnel for OnePlus program. Okay, and then I would title 1% down, and then you can create a lead source too. Think about this. You can create a lead funnel for OnePlus. You can create a lead funnel for reverse mortgage. You can create a lead funnel for home equity line of credit. You can create a lead funnel that you target only your client in Texas. You want to create a lead funnel that you want to target only Hispanic. You can do all kinds of lead funnel, right? And then every lead funnel, you run an ad so that people see your ad, they click on it, and they will leave their name and phone number for you to call and talk to them. So you understand so far before I continue? You can create a lot of lead funnels and start advertise it, okay? So now let's say I want to focus on the OnePlus program. Hello, hi, Ann, you have a question?
No, that was wrong. I tried to do a thumb up, to give a thumb up.
Okay, cool. So I just do OnePlus, 1% down, right? Remember the lead source is important because it will allow you to track. Let's say you run 3 different lead funnel. You want to know where's the lead come from, which source, So when you see the lead source, you know where the lead come from. And then when you want to notify the client by email or text. For example, as soon as they leave you their name and phone number and text, do you want to text them or email them? You can do that too. And here is some, you can click on preview, there's a bug right now, but let's ignore that for now. And then you can submit. It's super easy. Now you can see OnePlus show up. OnePlus show up. I can switch back, OnePlus show up, right? And I can go back and review it. So here's the path. Here's the path of the lead funnel, right? So if I go here, I think I have to log out. Now I go to Hoa Đậu Loan OnePlus. How come it's not showing up?
I'm getting error 500 new lead funnels when I'm creating.
Yeah, you have to use the second template. They are fixing it. But anyway, I will make sure it's working. I don't know what happened, but it should work because I tried earlier. Right now, see, have 2 leads right here. Test 2. So this lead funnel is working, but the other one, I'm not sure why. See, the lead funnel here is working. I'm not sure why the other one is not working. Okay, so I can move on. I will fix this. We will fix this. Okay. So now you create a lead funnel already. Just like you build a house already, right? Now you need to invite people to come over. Right? And that means you need to spend money on either Google or Facebook or any social media platform. We call that you buy the traffic. And let's say I go to my Facebook. Any of you have Facebook, you can do this. You can go to the top corner of your profile. Right here, you see advertising. You can click on that so that you can advertise. Now you will see, you can create an ad here, or they will show you how to do it. Here's the sales funnel. They talk about it right away. They show a lot of things, right? You need to spend some time learning about advertisement on Facebook. I will show you how to run an ad right now. But I recommend you to spend more time to study them. And let's say I click on create an ad. It will take me to my ads account. If you don't have it, they will create for you. So it's super easy. They want you to advertise. They want you to spend money, right? Facebook. So you will see running so slow.
One, I got message that there are technical difficulties, and that's why it's so slow. I was trying to create the funnel, and I got that message. So something's going on with the server.
Yeah. So we will look at it and fix it. But as you can see, it only takes you a minute to create a lead funnel. And this weekend, Mozo will release a lead funnel for OnePlus. You can create that. And if you want more lead funnel, you can tell Mozo to create for you.
Can you import lead funnels created in other places like Canva or other places?
Okay, no, Canva is a tool for you to create an image or video.
Well, also lead funnels and landing pages and all that. It does a lot more than that.
Okay, but the thing is, if you use them, the lead will stay with them, or it's going to be an Excel or CSV file. You need to import into our Mozo. Okay.
Yeah, the links. Okay.
Yeah. So you can create a campaign here. Hey, Jack.
So will marketing department help us create the ad, or we have to do it individually?
Yes, they can create for you, but let me show you the step to create it, and then I can explain more, okay? Because in order to run an ads, there are many things you have to consider. You need to tell the marketing department can help you create ads, but you need to tell them what you want. And I will show you why in the next few minutes. So when you create a new campaign or new ads, you have to select what type of ads you want to have. Awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, ad promotion, or sale. Awareness is more like big company like Nike, McDonald's. They want people aware of their brand. So you should not pick it. Traffic is exactly what you need. You need traffic. You need people to come to your lead funnel. So you should pick on traffic. Engagement is, let's say you want to have a good topic, you want people to engage, you go there and like and comment. That is engagement. You want to capture a lead, that is another possibility. And with lead, it's very simple. For example, with lead, you can create an image to promote OnePlus, right? And then you advertise with lead. So on the user, when they view your ads, they say, are you interested? Tap here. And then Facebook will pop up and say, do you want to give your information to Jack, to you? And so if the user say yes, you have their name and phone number right away. So lead is one of the popular one. It's super easy. You don't need the lead funnel at all. You can try out the lead too. But for this purpose, if you do lead funnel, you have to select traffic. It will take the user to your page. And you can do the same if you want to promote your website, right? Every one of you have a website, right? So depend on what you want to promote. You want to promote the lead funnel or you want to promote your website. Whatever you want to promote, you can drive the traffic there. And this is what big company they are doing. That's what Loan Factory will be doing as well. We will drive a lot of traffic to our website. From there, they will quote rate, they will locate a loan officer and work with loan officers. So here, let me select the traffic, right? We want traffic. And it's explained right here, good for link click, right? Click on your link, go to your site. Landing page views, go to your lead funnel and view it. So they explain clearly. If you choose lead here, it will show that, it's instant form. It's the form that you can create or Facebook already created for you. And you can promote on Messenger, on Instagram. People will authorize and give you the information. Hi, Ali.
Hi, I have a quick question. So you're saying web page. So who's going to create the web page for Loan Factory, us as a MLO?
We create for you already. Every loan officer at Loan Factory has a website. And
Right.
you can log in and create a lead funnel for yourself. You can create many lead funnels, and I showed you earlier already how to do it.
And one more thing, what I had kind of an impression, I don't know how it works because that's my first time talking to you, is we were supposed to have some leads from Loan Factory like Experian or Zillow, or how that part works.
We stopped that because it's not working.
Okay.
The quality of the lead is really bad right now. So I advise everyone do not buy lead. You will lose money because the lead is only work when rate is low. There's a lot of refinance. Right now, it's all purchase, and purchase consumer is completely different. They will not do business with you because you call them. They don't know you. They will not work with you, no matter what. So don't waste your time and money on leads. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let's say now I select traffic. I want traffic to go to my lead funnel landing page. Then it will take you to the next screen. Okay. On the left side is all the ads that I advertised in the past and whatever, pending. On the right side, you can give it a name. OnePlus, right? And then you have to select an ads categories. This is one loan officer asked me earlier, how come she run an ads and the ads has been rejected by Facebook? So what happened is the regulation is very strict, the compliance part. So as you can see here, if it's for employment, credit, or housing, or politics, Facebook might not approve you if you don't do things correctly because the compliance is there. So you have to select housing because this is mortgage loans. You cannot be discriminated. You cannot target one ethnic group over the other. There's a lot of rule and requirement. You cannot target a specific criteria. So there's a lot of rule here. So now I select the category of housing. You have to, if you don't, they might reject you. They have a way to know what is your ads about, and they might reject your ads. The campaign detail here, traffic, right? You can turn on A/B test as well. A/B test, that means you have two different image, two different ads. So you test it out to see which one is better. So this is also good, A/B test. But let's keep it simple for now and go to the next page. The next page is the ad set. I can give you a name. Any name, okay. And I can select where do I want my traffic go to. In this case, it default to the website. So the traffic go to my website. We can send the traffic to our app or messenger app or phone call. But default website. We want to maximize number of link clicks. And the cost here, you can leave it blank for now. If you don't know, just leave it blank. Facebook will take care of it for you. Now go down to the budget. How much you want to spend? Every day, $20. If you increase that to 100, you notice that the reach here, the link click here, 100, you get 1,000 click. So one click costs you 10 cents. And that is a lot cheaper than buying leads, a lot cheaper than buying experienced lead and all that. So this is pretty cheap, right? You spend $100, you get 1,000 clicks at least. 10 cents per click. It's good enough. You can start when it's going to start, when will it end. You can put the date it will be ending, right? Now the next criteria is audience. Who do we want to target? And if you run ads before, you have existing audience. You can pick, like for me, I have some audience in the past. I have different accounts too. This is my personal ad account. I have business ad account and everything is different. So for customer, for audience, you can choose, let's say I want the United States, or you can say, oh, I only want Texas or some county. Harris County, Texas. You can select, focus on the geographic location because you cannot target the whole United States. It's too big. Your money is too little. It's always better to narrow down. And then you want the age. So, for example, if you want to target people between 30 and 50, Facebook will reject you. And then they don't even allow you to, because that is discrimination. because this is your housing. You cannot discriminate against age. So in this case, you cannot change the age at all. You cannot exclude people that over 50 years old. You cannot. Even gender, you cannot select that either. It blocked you out. But then you can select a lot more detail. You can select, you can browse it. There's a lot for you to play with. You can browse. I believe you can select income. You can select maybe marital status. You can select the language as well. Let's say if I want to target only Vietnamese, I can run an ad in Vietnamese. You know, the image or the video are in Vietnamese, and I target Vietnamese. So you can do that. You can target Vietnamese or Filipino, Indian, whoever you want to target. So narrow down, and that's better. So any questions so far? Okay, I will move on to the next page. So here's my account, okay? Query source created. So I can upload my image or video, or it can be a single image or video, more than 2 or more video or collection. You can do a lot with the image or video. You can upload them, right? So let's say I will do a simple one, just an image. And you can upload any image from your computer. In this case, I will select this one. My internet is so slow. I have the whole library because I advertise so much. So I have the whole library. It remembers for me. So it also recommends you to upload in many different sizes, like 1:1, the ratio of the image. This is how it's gonna look. So you can upload more image, so it look better, right? Different size. And then after you have all images or video uploaded, you can proceed with the ads. And it's pretty much, they will show you the sample, what will it look like on the ads. So this is original here. You have to add the text and the headline. You know, if you see any advertisement, you can see there's the text on top and the headline right here. So you can add the text and headline. You can add the music, image filter, 3D animation, and it's done. So you have the preview right here. See, you can add the text here, primary text. And then headline. So as you type, you can see on the right side, it will populate with your text. And if you're happy, you can publish it. And then it will ask you to enter credit card, and it's done. Oh, shoot. They have my credit card. If I click publish, it will publish. Okay, let's get run. So any question? Remember, there's an ad set, an ad. You can run one campaign that have 3 ad sets. One ad set target one state, for example. Then you can see the result. You know, you can run one campaign that target people in different state, people different income, different demographic. So they will show you that there's an error. And then you have to check the error, fix it. Sometimes it's very frustrated. We don't know what caused the error. enter the website URL field. So that I didn't put in the website, right? Now I need to go back to the website to enter that. Where's my website? Yeah, Rob.
Hey, Twan, how are you? On the billing, do we get charged by the click, or is that automatic? Like you put $100 a day, are you charged $100 a day, or that's the maximum that you'll get charged for people clicking in?
They will charge you pay based on the click, and the maximum is $100 a day. So you enter the budget, and it will not go above your budget. You can do as little as $20 or $10 and try it out. But if your budget is small, you should narrow it down to a city or something, small area, and
Right.
try it out. Yeah, and try it out and improve it. Money is important, yes. But what is more important is the skill set, the picture, the video. You make it really attractive, that catch people attention, and then they click on it. They really like it. They click on it. That is what matters. You know, I do advertisement a lot, so I know. I even do radio talk show. And many of you are Vietnamese, you know I'm very good at talk show. But for the first 2.5 years, when I advertise to radio, I don't have clients. People don't come to me. So you will fail. And we don't know how long you will fail. But if you keep trying, you keep improving, you will get better and better, and you will hit it. So this advertisement or marketing is an art, and you need to master the skill. You have to keep doing it. You have to keep trying it.
Okay,
Hey,
thank
Twan, I
you.
have a quick question.
Yes,
You're currently running Facebook ads yourself, correct?
my team run it for me. I ran it before. Now I'm too busy. I have my team run it for me, and I
Sure.
tell them the criteria. Hey, run this picture, and I have to approve everything. I have to approve the picture, who I want to target, how much I want to spend, what is the headline, what is the text, where it will lead, where it will lead the traffic to. I control everything, but they do the labor work for me. They will do all of this.
Would you say your conversion rate is?
To be honest with you right now, I haven't tracked that, but let me show you something else. How come it's not showing the website? I miss it. Housing here, maybe test. That's step one.
And then what are you spending a month on it now?
Right now, I haven't run lead funnel yet. I will run it soon. And but when Moso release the OnePlus, I will run it. Right now, I run ads to target loan officers and generate the brand awareness. So I haven't run ads to generate leads yet. But I want all of you to try it out. Do a small budget, $5 a day. That's okay too. There's nothing wrong with that. But then you can see the result. You see if you get any lead, anyone click on it, fill out and leave their name and phone number. Then you can try to call. Just try it out. Start out small. There's many ways you can run ads. And today I just show you how to run a lead funnel. I saw earlier there's a website where I can enter the URL of the website. Edit here. Here, website URL. You can enter your URL like harderalone.com, like that. And there's many ways you can run. You can run, for example, you know about OnePlus program, right? There's 6 cities in Chicago, Detroit, Philadelphia, where if anyone live in those cities, the underserved community, they get $5,200. So you can run this ads to target those cities. Say, hey, people of Philadelphia, if you live here and you buy a house, you qualify to receive $5,200. No question asked, no restriction. You can buy any house, any income, you qualify for that. So you can use that to target them as well. And this is good because you target people in the underserved community, give them the money. And you can even target the realtor in those community. You say, hey, realtor in Philadelphia or Chicago, work with me. I can help your client get in this much rent, $5,250. There's many ways you can do it. And I'm also plan to run an ads to target, remember about 2-3 months ago, I promote the lowest rate of $1,000 back. I will run that as well. So there's many things you can run, many things. And if I can run it, you can run it. There's no restriction, right? Let me go back to here to show you Facebook lead setting. You can, this is for if you run a lead campaign. You can turn it on and enter your Facebook ID. Then when you run your Facebook ad to get lead, your lead will be populated here automatically. And this is a separate type of ads. There are two types of ads, remember? This one is getting the traffic. But then there's another lead is getting lead. Traffic here, remember? But if you choose lead, then that lead will go to your lead page automatically. So here, if you choose lead on your side, you can turn on and enter your Facebook account. The lead will come from Facebook and come to your lead page automatically. That is a separate import lead from Facebook ads right here. So also when you run lead funnel, you can see the result too. Where do I see that? Let me show. I will show you the result. If any one of you run the lead, we will know how many leads you get. We will keep track of that. So let's say you spend $1,000, then we know how many people come to your site, how many pass the first page, pass the second page, pass the last page. So we can track the progress. How many leads we get, and how far did they go to complete the lead funnels. Anyone have a question for me? Maybe I ask everyone to wait until this weekend for Mozo to release the fix before you start creating it. It is very simple, right? Create a lead funnel, take about a minute, and then you know the URL. You go to Facebook or Google, run the ads to get traffic to that page. So that is pretty much everything you need to do. And then wait for people to come to you. And that is so much better than buying leads out there. It's very bad quality. There's another way you can target the audience. Instead of picking a state or a city, you can upload your own contacts. So let's say you have a list of 1,000 friends and family, people that you know in your community. You can upload that list to Facebook and tell them that, hey, I want to target these people in the list. And they will target for you. Or I can target people that visited loanfactory.com or people that visit your website in the past. Then you can create a pixel The pixel will remember everyone that visit your website in the past. And when you run the ad, they say use this pixel. And that's all. Facebook will remember everyone that visited your website. Now, when they open their Facebook, they see your ads. Facebook will show that. Hi, Ali.
Yeah, I have a quick question. So you are saying the quality of the leads are very bad. So why should I be creating this funnel and Facebook ad?
Well, that is, I'm talking about if you buy lead from LendingTree or Bankrate or some other company out there.
Okay,
Not only the lead is bad, but they sell it to multiple people.
understand.
And it's expensive. And
Makes
here, when people click on your page, it costs you only 10 cents. And hopefully, if you spend $100, you get 3 leads, and that is cheap. That is pretty okay. That's still cheaper, and you own it. It's your lead.
Makes sense. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Rob.
Yeah, just to echo what you just said, Tuan, to Ali, I tried that before, paying for leads, and I spent over $1,000 and I didn't convert one. So I would not recommend paying for leads. They'll tell you anything. Oh yeah, our conversion rate's 10%. It's a bunch of bull.
Yeah. I try it myself too. I try almost everything. And I encourage you to try it out too, if you are able to. For me, money is not a problem for me. What I want is to find out the best way to have more clients. So I try almost everything. And I realized that when I buy lead from LendingTree and Bankrate, it is so difficult to work with them. You call the lead, they yell at you. They don't want to talk to you. And I don't think we can even convert 1%. So it's very, very difficult to convert. And it's so painful too. You spend all day calling and being rejected. It costs you money as well. Here you have control. You can do your own campaign. You target your own community or friends or family. And you control what you want to show them, who you want to advertise. You control all of that. And the lead come to you because they want to. They go to your website, they fill out the information. So I believe it's better quality. If they don't like you, if they're not serious, I don't think they would want to click on. They do 10 clicks to go to 10 different pages and give you their information. So they are pretty interested and serious, and that's why they go to the lead funnel and give you their contact information. The result I told you gonna be varied. Some of you might be successful, some of you will fail, and I believe it's all because of the little criteria, like what image that you show them, the video that you show them, what is the text that you have in there. Every little thing counts. Okay, so please don't try it yet. Wait until Sunday or Monday when Mozart release the new version, and then you can try it out. And by that time, you will see a template for OnePlus. You can create a template, a lead funnel for OnePlus. And I'm open if you think we need another lead funnel for Purchase Plus or another lead funnel for another purpose. Mozart can create for you. And try it out. If you run into problem with Facebook or run into ads, contact marketing. They can help you. Say, I want to run the ads, but how come it's failed? How do I do this and that? They will help you. Get contact marketing at loanfactory.com. Okay, everyone, I hope it's helpful. I know that some of you heard about lead funnels, but never have a real experience how it works, how to set it up. Now you see how it's worked, how it's set it up. So try it out. I think it's fun. It's fun to do, and it's good to know. And try it out with $5 a day. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.